You'll Never Find. How You Never Find came about. Alright, so here's the story of You Never Find. Bossy, which is Robert Livingston, who is the producer of the track, he had a melody in his head, which he told me about. And I said, yeah, it sounds good. Let's go at it. He went about curating, I should say, the instrumental for the song that he had in his head. Build the rhythm around that melody. We wrote the song, voiced the song on the existing beat for You'll Never Find. So they're listening to it, love the song, everything. I said, yeah, that song is bad. Bossy went home, called me in the night. I was like, yeah, I love the song. I said, yeah, man, I love it too, general. But I think I can't go better. I said, better than what I already have. Like, no, man, yeah, just try, man. I said, alright, send me the beat. Sent me the beat. I was there watching anime. Then I watch anime. Yeah, I watch anime. I watch cartoons. I love cartoons. Which anime did I watch? Probably did I watch Tower of God. I think I was either watching Tower of God or Demon Slayer. I was probably watching Demon Slayer because I was binge watching at the time. Demon Slayer, me that watch. And if you don't watch anime, I think you should start with Demon Slayer or Dororo or one of them. Anyway, I'm not go too far into the anime vibes. Yeah, so finished watching anime, went upstairs, went into my bathroom because that's where I write most of my songs. Bathroom, any bathroom, whether I'm there in my apartment or I'm there in my house. From close the door, I love the acoustics in our bathroom. Just sound like their studio. Weird maybe, but that's just me. Yeah. Playing the rhythm, vibes are all, and then the song just came. The very first line that came to me was, so you really think that we can be just friends? See you're acting cool as if we were nothing. I said, I love this. And that is how You'll Never Find came about. It just flowed. Like, that song took me like less than 2 hours to write. That's just magic right there. Yeah. So You'll Never Find came about from us having a song before and then just feeling like we could have go harder. And we did go harder. Is it? As relates to the song before, that was before You'll Never Find. A bad song too, so we'll probably just build a rhythm around it and send it a road, is it? Maybe. We don't know yet. But if we can go around that song there, which we did, we can go around anything right now. I mean, I tell you, that song that is really nice. You'll never find just nice as it. Concerns? No, there were no concerns. There were no concerns, and there are no concerns. I'm because you have two ends to change. You can either change for the better or you change for worse. And this change is an improvement. You understand? Yeah, that's how I view it. I feel like with the whole change in my energy and the whole change in my vibe and change in my sound, I don't feel like it's a concern where I would say the people who support me over the years aren't for it, because they are for it, because it's a change for the better. It's a welcome change. It's a change that the ladies like and the ladies love it, and if the ladies love it, then my work is done. You understand? Yeah. From now on, show off my girl, them I'm good enough. You understand? Because them are my core, them are my foundation. And as the Bible says, from you build your house on a solid foundation, nothing cannot move it. I shall not be moved. You understand? So yeah, man, I'm there with my girl, them, and my girl, them there with me, so. And they know they'll never find a love like mine. No matter where they go. No.